Hey there traders! If you're looking to maximize your profit potential with penny stocks, today I'm going to break down the wheel strategy step by step. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the wheel strategy? Simply put, it's an options trading strategy that involves selling cash-secured puts and covered calls. This method can be a powerful way to generate consistent income, especially with penny stocks. So, let's get into the nuts and bolts of it. Step 1. Selecting the right penny stocks. You want to look for stocks that have a decent volume profile. Aim for stocks that trade at least 1 million shares a day. This ensures liquidity, making it easier to enter and exit trades. Also, check the stock's price range. Ideally, you want something between $1 to $5. Next up, let's talk about the Greeks. Focus on delta and theta. For puts, aim for delta around -0.3 to -0.4. This gives you a decent premium while limiting risk. For calls, you want a delta close to 0.2 to 0.3. Theta, on the other hand, should be positive. You want time decay working in your favor. Now, on to setting up your first trade. Start by selling a cash-secured put. Choose an expiration date that's 30, 45 days out. This time frame balances premium collection and risk. Make sure you have enough cash in your account to buy the stock if you're assigned. If the put expires worthless, congrats. You've just pocketed the premium. Now rinse and repeat, or move on to the next step if you get assigned the stock. Once you own the stock, it's time to sell covered calls. Pick a strike price slightly above what you paid for the stock and choose the same 30, 45-day expiration. This way, you lock in some profit and receive additional premium. If your stock gets called away, no worries. You've profited from the premium and the stock's appreciation. Always keep an eye on the stock's volatility. Higher volatility means higher premiums, but also higher risk. Balance is key here. Use tools like implied volatility percentile to gauge this. Volume profile is another crucial element. Look at the volume at different price levels to identify support and resistance. These levels help you decide where to set your strike prices. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to running the wheel strategy on penny stocks. Stick to these principles, and you'll be well on your way to generating consistent income. Remember, always do your research and consult with a financial advisor to tailor strategies to your individual circumstances. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and happy trading.